Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Scalenut AI like a pro. So, make sure you watch this video to the end. To start with, you can imagine the ease in identifying keywords cluster. Then, creating your content brief. And then, optimizing content for higher search ranking. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's not take our words for it. Let's hear from the horse's mouth. Scalenut themselves.
SEO is your weapon for digital dominance. More traffic equals more leads. More leads are more customers. More customers equals sustained business. Meet Scalenut, the world's #1 AI SEO platform. Build content strategy. Outrank your competition. Scale new content creation. Refresh existing content. Here is how. Conduct targeted keyword research using your seed keyword and target location, and get an array of recommended topic clusters with their performance metrics such as keyword density, relevance, CPC, search volume, and more to nail down your content strategy. You can also view the semantically related key terms to your primary keyword in a list view. Next up, generate an SEO article for your chosen keyword cluster. Content creation becomes 10x easier with cruise mode. Just set the proper context for your topic and select the tone of voice for your content. Here you can enter the tone manually or let Scalenut AI identify the tone for you. Using the power of AI, get an outline for your topic in only a few seconds. Next, get relevant writing points for your headers and simply set the context right by infusing them with factual information. And you are almost done. Receive the first draft of your content that not only has high SEO score, but is also easy to read, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Finally, impress the search engines by optimizing your content for various on-page factors, and you are ready to roll. Oh, it does not end here. Scalenut not only helps you create fresh new content, but also allows you to drive ROI from your existing content. Update your content inventory with the Content Optimizer. Using Fix-It-Get recommendations for various on-page factors such as key terms, keyword density, content depth, and more for maximum returns. You can either accept or reject the recommendations given by our Magic Wand Fix-It to further increase the SEO score for your content. It doesn't end here. You can make use of our Traffic Analyzer, your all-in-one tool that consolidates your Google Search Console data in one place. Track your organic search traffic, monitor keyword rankings, analyze click-through rates, and much more, all within the user-friendly interface of Traffic Analyzer. Last but not the least, you can use our WordPress integration to directly publish content to your website. Scalenut is trusted by over 100,000 plus marketers from 150 plus countries. With ratings of over 4.8 from 1,000 plus reviews, Scalenut is leading the new era of AI and search. Try for free and scale SEO with Scalenut.
So, you see, Scalenut has lived up to the hype. To get started, check out the link to their website in the video description below and start crafting SEO-optimized content. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification for more content.